first.
You go first. We're recording with 2 different cameras.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Don't show any squishies yet.
So the title of today's video is Squishy Dares.
And we couldn't find any Squishy Dares on our YouTube channels. Wait, by the way, have you had any commenters?
Yes.
Like people, like random people?
Yeah.
Have you ever asked for Squishy Dares?
No.
You need to.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. My dad needs to help me make a YouTube channel. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about. We're talking about Squishy Dares. I couldn't find any on my phone on Google.
Me neither.
So we just I'm sorry, I'm feeling a little sick today. Anyway, but I would never let you guys down on videos. So no matter how sick I am, I will always make a video for you guys.
Me too.
So
go check out my YouTube channel. It's Kooky Caitlin.
Kooky is start with a K,
not with a C.
I tried to see, it did not work.
Yeah. So.
Okay. Anyway, so we made up with our own Squishy Dares, and let's get in. You want to start with your own Squishy Dare first?
Yeah. The first Squishy Dare is.
Wait, you come up with a Squishy Dare, and we both have to do it.
Okay. We have to throw a squishy.
It can't be like really mean.
Yeah.
We can't be like cutting or boiling.
Yeah. We have to throw a squishy to that tree, and so yeah.
Okay, so you gotta show the camera which ones you chose. I mean, which one?
I'm choosing.
That one's really white. I don't really want to use that one.
Yeah, let's not use the white panda bun.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be throwing this croissant.
Press the call button to call.
I didn't do anything.
So I'm gonna be doing this croissant,
and I'm gonna be doing this joy bun. Okay, let's get our cameras in. Let's go. Oh no! My battery's low. We'll just have to film with your camera.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So here's the squishy I chose.
And here's the squishy I chose.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, guys. Let's go next to the squishy.
Now it's my turn to choose a Squishy Dare. Oh my god, my laugher bun.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Her camera died, so we're gonna have to use mine.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry about everybody that was watching my channel. Flip over to Caitlin's channel.
Because I'm going to be posting this video. So, yeah.
Her phone doesn't die right now. We have the exact same phone.
Yeah.
We film with the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Sometimes I film with my computer.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, anyway, so now it's my turn. So, stupid flies. Okay, so my Squishy Dare is throw a squishy at somebody. I'm going to throw it at you.
I'm going to throw it at you. So
I choose you, Baguette.
No, I'm choosing you. I choose this Baguette.
I choose my laughing bun.
And I choose this.
Baguette.
Oh my gosh, it's still rising. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, I'm not kidding. This is almost squishy as an eye bloom,
but not as squishy as the panda bun. Okay.
The panda bun.
Okay, now it's your turn to choose a Squishy Dare.
Okay. My Squishy Dare is to...
Stop squishing it. Just choose a Squishy Dare.
Okay. My Squishy Dare is to put a squishy in water.
No, we can't do that. Because I tried it and it affects the squishies. So we're not going to do anything with
water.
Boiling or water. And I'm not supposed to go in anymore because my mom's so nothing with cutting.
So how about I choose to throw a squishy at the boys.
No. Oh my god, no. They're gonna rip it.
No, they're not.
Oh
I tried it with my eye bloom. They didn't. I choose...
Oh my god, not a very precious one for me.
I choose this bun.
Oh, it's a plain bun.
Yep, plain bun.
Okay.
Come on. I'm staying back. One throw and that's all. Is it damaged? Okay, guys, I got it. Here's she threw a squishy at the boys. I really did not like. My phone! It's okay. I do that all the time. Sorry, guys. Sorry, she dropped you.
No, don't.
Squishy!
No, don't. Thank you. Okay, so now it's
Okay,
my
guys.
turn.
So now it's her turn to pick a squishy and do a squishy dare.
Oh my god, there's an ant on my squishy.
All these are squishy. Go, boys. Oh, that feels good. Guys, go.
With your feet.
Ha! I did cake.
Okay, so my squishy dare.
the dead cake. See? Right there, the dead. That's the sandwich.
No, it's a cake.
No, that's a
It's a cake, see. Okay, so my squishy dare I'm gonna choose to do is throw a squishy in the air as high as you can, and I'm gonna choose my Hello Kitty waffle. This one's most precious to me.
And I'm gonna choose this bun.
Swirl bun.
Swirl
Okay,
bun.
you're gonna record me first.
Okay.
So,
Say bye-bye. Wait, I need to... Okay.
it's perfect. It's not damaged.
Okay, now you hook. Okay, we gotta come over here into the sidewalk. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do this one. We gotta close up. Okay, now go. Come on. Perfect.
I need to
This
close
is not
that.
damaged.
Okay.
Okay.
So
My turn.
that's a good one.
Ah!
You sat in the pathway.
Okay, so the squishy dare is to sit on a squishy, and I pick this one.
Okay. And I choose this one.
It's squishy as an eye bloom, but it's not an
Okay,
eye
we
bloom.
have to sit on it for how many seconds? It has to be seconds, not minutes.
3.
30 seconds. Okay. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
31.
You said 30.
Yeah, 30. 31.
Oh my god.
No.
You said 30.
Ugh.
Okay. Okay, don't do any more squishy dares.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys.
Okay, don't do any more squishy dares.
We're going to sit on this. Where is he?
Okay, now it's my turn to choose a squishy dare. Okay. Whew. My squishy dare is to step on a squishy for 20 seconds. But you have to take your shoe off. Okay, so here's my foot.
And here's my foot.
Okay.
Now
And-
we are going to step on
Don't.
I'm going to be stepping on this one.
It's a Hello Kitty pound cake.
Okay. The icing's coming off. So.
It's, yeah. And I'm gonna, wait, and I'm gonna sit on, I mean, not sit on, I'm gonna stand on my hamburger. You guys probably can't see this, but we're gonna stand. Six, 7, 8. Why are you standing on that one?
I don't care.
10, 11. Okay, so it's like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
It didn't do anything to mine.
Yeah, mine either, because most of these squishies are...
I'm sitting on this
no.
one. Yes.
No, because
I want to squish it. Can I
No.
at least squish it?
you can squish it, but you can't sit on it. Okay, now it's your turn to choose a squishy dare.
It smells so good.
Smell another one. Okay, smell another one. Wait, that one's smell. Okay, it's your turn to choose a squishy dare.
Okay, the squishy there is to throw a squishy into the street.
No, because cars could come.
There's no cars.
Okay.
So I'm going to be throwing.
Not the panda bun or the baguette.
Yeah, so these are eliminated. And so is this one since it's your prize possession.
None of them are first possession. Okay, so this one is an angel food cake.
I'm going to be...
Wait, hang on. I have a challenge too.
Okay.
So
I'm going to be throwing this one.
Okay, and then I have a challenge too. We have to try and throw it into your driveway.
Okay. So we are going to throw it on the street first, and then we're going to try to throw it in my driveway.
Okay, so you're going to record me first.
Okay.
Since they're my squishies.
Okay, guys. She's going to go first, so yeah.
Hey, goodbye to angel food cake.
You have to throw it in the road first. Okay. Come on, go! Okay, now for me. Okay, guys. Okay, you gotta look both ways before, though. We're doing squishy dares. Okay. You're okay. Okay, now it's my turn to try and throw it into her. I'm gonna try and throw it all the way to her driveway. Okay.
We're